lay down.
Okay.
Okay. Hike your right leg
Right leg.
higher.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now push up.
Okay.
You
All
gotta
right.
push
Now
up.
take your left arm
Okay.
and go through to your right knee.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now lean over to your, there you go, your
Okay.
left, and twist.
Oh!
Ooh, there's
Oh
no
my
way that
God.
works.
Right?
That felt
No way that
amazing.
works. Surely
down.
not.
Okay.
Let's try that. Outsidemann here, back with a video. Shit. Where is it? Let's fucking play it. I thought I'd give it a go. Your back's a bit fucked. Why not try it? Lay down, yep. Do that, yep. One leg up here, yep. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, fuck. Oh. Ah. Oh, yeah, lay down. Ah. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh. Oh. That don't work. Oh. I've just caught the back of that and all. The corner of that. Oh, shit. I've just caught the corner of the fucking... Ah. Of the fucking... Yeah. Ah. Yeah, guys. That does not work. Fuck. I caught the fucking bastard of that and all the corner of fucking... marble. Ah. Oh. That don't work. Do not do back crack exercises because they don't work. I think I've just fucked me back up twice. Tried it first time and I thought I'll record it again. Now it's twice. Oh shit. Me back. Yeah. Hit that notification bell, like and subscribe. I'm fucking won't be doing one of them again. Catch you in the next video.